Hi guys! Get ready with me pero nakapaglagay na ako ng pang prep lang. Dumating sa akin today. Tada! Yung 33 pieces collection ng Careline. Ito yung collab nila with SpongeBob. Ito yung mga bagong launch nila. We have Push Lips, 5 shades, the Imagination palette, and they have 4 shades of Best Blush Ever. Ang cute! And Patrick. Serum Swoosh Tint. Ayan. Dream Cream Tint. So, kumpletuhin natin yung look ko. Let's start with the eyeshadow. This one. Lalagay ako ng konting shimmer dito. And then, lalagay din ako dito. Now, let's move on sa blush. Meow Love. Ganito pala. Oops. I don't know anong gagamitin ko, kung yung tinted sponge gloss or lip oil ako. Mag-lip kit. Let's use Pink Star. Kata. Wait, magdadagdag ako ng sa eyeshadow. So guys, this is the final look. Grabe yung blush on, best blush on talaga. So, I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye-bye!